Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing everything. It's also changing how we test software. AI is super fast and accurate. This new tech can look at tons of data and spot things humans might miss. This makes testing better and faster, but with great power comes great responsibility. We need to think about what's right and wrong when using AI. AI in software testing has special challenges that are tricky and need careful thought. We can't ignore these ethical questions. We must navigate the moral maze of AI, understanding the good and the bad and setting clear rules. AI in software testing is still new. As AI gets smarter, ethical concerns will become even more important. We need to make sure this powerful tech is used responsibly. This is the job of developers, testers, and the people who make the rules. Together, we can make a future where AI helps everyone. AI in software testing is a two-sided coin, huge potential, but also big ethical challenges. By talking about and dealing with these challenges, we can use AI for good, making tech fairer for everyone. Using AI in software testing brings up some big ethical worries. These worries are complicated and need close inspection. Ignoring them could have serious consequences. We have to understand and address these concerns to make sure AI is developed responsibly. One big worry is bias. AI learns from huge amounts of data. If that data reflects existing prejudices, the AI will learn and repeat those prejudices. This can lead to unfair results, making things worse for groups that are already at a disadvantage. Privacy is another key concern. AI-powered testing often uses loads of data, which might include private information. Protecting this data from prying eyes and misuse is super important. We have to make sure privacy isn't sacrificed for efficiency. Transparency is also key. Many AI systems are like black boxes. We don't know how they make decisions. This lack of transparency can make people distrust AI and make it hard to hold anyone accountable. We need AI systems that are easy to understand. Job losses are a real worry. As AI automates tasks previously done by human testers, there's a risk of job losses. We have to find ways to deal with this, maybe through retraining programs. Accountability is vital. When AI makes mistakes, who's to blame? We need to be clear who is responsible for AI's decisions. We need rules for dealing with errors and making sure those affected can get help. 2024 has seen big steps forward in AI ethics. Groups around the world are realizing the urgent need for ethical guidelines for building and using AI. These guidelines provide a framework for responsible AI, focusing on human values and making society better. The 2024 AI ethics updates emphasize human-centered AI. This means AI should serve humans, not the other way around. Human supervision and control are key to making sure AI matches our values. Fairness is really important. AI should treat everyone equally, no matter their race, gender, religion, or anything else. We have to be careful to spot and fix biases in AI. Transparency and explainability are vital for trust. Users should be able to understand how AI makes decisions that affect them. Explainable AI, or XAI, is a new area that tries to make AI easier to understand. Privacy and security are still top priorities. AI must protect personal data and prevent unauthorized access. Techniques like minimizing data and making it anonymous can help protect privacy. Accountability is a crucial part of ethical AI. Developers, users, and everyone involved with AI must be responsible for their actions. Clear lines of responsibility are essential for dealing with any bad consequences that might happen. The ethical problems with AI in software testing aren't just theoretical. Real-world cases show what happens when we ignore these concerns. These cases remind us how important ethical AI development is. One case involves an AI hiring tool used by a big tech company. The tool was prejudiced against women, always ranking men higher than women with the same skills. This bias came from the data it learned from, which reflected past gender imbalances in tech. Another case involves facial recognition software used in security. While it can improve security, it's also been shown to be racially biased, with more errors for people of color. This can have serious results, potentially leading to wrongful arrests and discrimination. AI in self-driving cars presents another ethical challenge. These cars rely on AI to make life or death decisions instantly. Programmers have to deal with tough questions like how to prioritize safety in unavoidable accidents. These cases show the real-world impact of AI bias, privacy breaches, and lack of transparency. They highlight the urgent need for ethical guidelines and responsible AI development. Section 5. Fighting bias strategies for fairness in AI. Fixing bias in AI is crucial for being fair. Bias can sneak into AI in many ways, often mirroring existing societal biases in the data used to train these systems. But there are ways to reduce bias and promote fairness. One important step is having diverse teams building and testing AI systems. A diverse team is more likely to spot and fix potential biases. This means diversity in gender, race, ethnicity, and background. Another important strategy is using diverse data to train AI. If the training data reflects everyone the AI will be used on, it's less likely to be biased. Regular bias testing and auditing are essential. This involves checking AI systems for biases and fixing them. Transparency can also help fight bias. By understanding how AI makes decisions, we can better spot and address any unfair results. Explainable AI, or XAI, methods can show us how AI makes decisions. Section 6. Protecting privacy in the age of AI testing. Using AI in software testing often involves collecting and storing lots of data. This data might include sensitive personal information, raising privacy concerns. Protecting privacy is paramount. One key step is to collect and store as little data as possible. Collecting only what's absolutely necessary for testing reduces the risk of privacy breaches. Making data anonymous can help protect privacy by removing information that identifies individuals. This ensures that people can't be identified from the data used in AI testing. Data encryption is essential for protecting data. Encryption makes it much harder for unauthorized people to access sensitive information. Access control is crucial for limiting who can see sensitive data. Only authorized personnel should have access, and only if they need it. Section 7. Transparency and explainability, foundations of trustworthy AI. Transparency and explainability are essential for trusting AI. When users understand how AI makes decisions, they're more likely to trust those decisions. This is especially important in software testing, where AI is making more and more critical decisions about software quality and safety. Explainable AI, or XAI, focuses on making AI easier to understand. XAI methods provide insights into how AI makes decisions, allowing us to understand why a particular decision was made. One approach to XAI is using rule-based models, where the decision-making logic is clearly defined as rules. This makes it easier to understand how the AI reaches its conclusions. Another approach is to use local interpretable model-agnostic explanations, or LIME. LIME can be used to explain the predictions of any machine learning model. It works by slightly changing the input data and seeing how the model's predictions change. Visualizations can also be helpful for understanding AI decisions. By visualizing how AI models classify different inputs, we can gain insights into how the model works. Section 8. Best practices for ethical AI software testing. As AI becomes more common in software testing, it's essential to have best practices for ethical AI development. These best practices can help reduce risks, promote fairness, and build trust. One crucial best practice is to have clear ethical guidelines for AI development and testing. These guidelines should outline the commitment to ethical AI principles like fairness, transparency, and accountability. Another best practice is to conduct regular ethics reviews. This involves assessing the ethical implications of AI systems at different stages. Training is essential for ensuring that everyone involved in AI understands the ethical considerations. This includes developers, testers, and business stakeholders. Collaboration is key. Talking with ethicists, legal experts, and other stakeholders can provide valuable perspectives. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential for identifying and addressing any unintended consequences or biases that may appear over time. Section 9. Building a responsible future for AI. The rapid advancements in AI bring huge opportunities and big challenges. As we navigate the ethical dilemmas of AI in software testing, we have a responsibility to create a future where AI benefits everyone. This requires teamwork from everyone, including developers, testers, policymakers, and the public. We must have open and honest discussions about the ethical implications of AI, addressing concerns and working together to find solutions. Education is paramount. By increasing understanding of AI ethics, we can empower people to make informed decisions about AI. Regulation will play a crucial role. Governments must establish clear guidelines and standards for ethical AI. Ultimately, the future of AI depends on our choices today. By prioritizing ethical considerations, we can use the power of AI for good, creating a fairer and more prosperous future for all.